In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset the YouTube app of any smart TV and revert all the settings to default in just a few taps. We are using Sony Bravia 4K Google TV, but this will work on smart TVs from any other brands such as Samsung, LG, Hisense, TCL, Amazon Fire TVs, Roku TVs, etc. So let's begin by opening up the YouTube app. Then open the side panel by going to the left, scroll down to settings, then go to the right and scroll down again to reset apps. Go right, highlight reset app and press OK. This will remove all the accounts that you have logged in on YouTube, and the settings for the TV's YouTube app will restore to default. But this won't erase any data such as watch history of your account. So just tap on reset app again and your YouTube app will reload. And this will reset your YouTube apps to factory default. So that's how you reset the YouTube app of your smart TV. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more.